Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Ford F-350 Super Duty Dually with the Lariat package 4x4 and a clean Carfax. And that is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and close this up and take you for a tour. See, it does have fog lights up front, tow hooks, alloy wheels, the FX4 off-road package, power sliding back window, has a tailgate step, spray on bed liner, and a fifth wheel prep. And I'm just going to go ahead and pause this and close up this tailgate. Alright, see that it does have a bumper pull receiver right there. The cameras are awesome. Just have 360-degree cameras. See, it does have airbag, rear suspension. And I'm going to go ahead and take you for a tour of the interior. That was a 6.7 liter Powerstroke Turbodiesel engine. Black leather seats. You see that you do have a 110 volt outlet right there. Tons of space. And then you got your keypad for entry right there. And this is your telescoping mirrors. Come over here, and there's your VIN, and I will upload some still photos of that as well. Okay, and as you look down here to the left, you'll see it has 102,068 miles on this vehicle. Then you got your trip computer toggles, and then your cruise control, your push to talk, and stereo controls. Then you got your key and key fob, and 2- and 4-wheel drive, trailering controls, USB ports right there, and cup holders, additional stowage. Then down in here there's an additional 12-volt power outlet, and there is another 110-volt outlet up here, which is super handy along with the 12. And then you got your comfort controls, stereo controls with your disc drive. But your audio sources are AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD, and Bluetooth. Your climate controls, and your phone, navigation as well, and your apps and settings. And if you want to see the backup camera, we pop it in reverse. There's your backup camera and your 360-degree cameras as well. And as you keep coming up, you've got your upfitter switches, your glasses holder, and map reading lights, and that about wraps it up for this F-350 on the interior. As I mentioned, this vehicle does have a clean Carfax. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com. In the spirit of full disclosure, here is a copy of the original label for your vehicle so you can see what it was equipped with straight out of the factory.